Google just dropped the new Pixel 10 lineup, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pro XL, and the Pro Fold. Here's everything you'll love about them. Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL. The Pixel 10 Pro has a 6.3-inch screen. The Pro XL is bigger at 6.8 inches. Both are powered by the new Tensor G5 chip. They come with up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. The cameras are incredible. A 50 megapixel main lens, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom. You can zoom all the way up to 100 times and even shoot 8K video. On the front, there's a sharp 42 megapixel selfie camera. The displays are super bright, over 3000 nits, smooth at 120 Hz, and protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Battery life is strong. The Pro has around 4,870 milliamp hours and the XL jumps to 5,200. Both charge fast, 45 watts wired, and they support the new Qi 2 wireless charging. These phones are packed with AI. Magic Q gives you info before you ask, like flight details or reminders. Camera Coach helps you frame the perfect shot. Gemini Live and Pixel Sense give real-time suggestions and edits. And if you get the higher-end models, Google gives you a year of the AI Pro plan for free. Now, let's talk about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This is Google's most durable foldable yet. It's made with aerospace aluminum and a new hinge that can last more than 10 years of use, and is the first foldable with full IP68 water and dust resistance. On the outside, you get a 6.4-inch screen. Open it up and there's a massive 8-inch display, bright, sharp, and smooth. The battery lasts more than 30 hours. It charges halfway in just 30 minutes. And it supports Google's new Pixel Snap magnetic wireless charging. The Fold gets all the same AI features plus extras like dual screen preview, rear camera selfies, and advanced multitasking. You can split the screen, drag and drop between apps, and even use it as a game controller. It starts at $1,799 and ships October 9th. So here's the lineup. The Pixel 10 Pro is the compact flagship. The Pro XL gives you a bigger screen and bigger battery, and the Pro Fold is the ultimate multitasking beast. Which one would you pick?